right here, KylieSkin. What the heck? But I actually have more to add to my Sephora haul, so I wanted to quickly show you guys because now this is day 2. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Makeup Monday. I am here today with a makeup haul and I just thought I shopped at Kylie Cosmetics, I shopped at Sephora, and I also just got a PR package in the mail from TooFaced, my favorite. So I was like, why don't I do a full video for you guys and share everything that I have. So if you guys want to see more makeup hauls, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, also commenting down below to let me know, and just enjoying the same drink I had in my last video because I'm filming on the same day. I did change my outfit though because I love doing that. I don't like to wear the same thing in my videos. Anyways though, we are going to be talking makeup, playing with makeup today. I'm really excited to share with you guys what I got. So if you guys want to see what I hauled, just keep on watching. Right here, KylieSkin. I was so excited when I saw this. Obviously, you guys know I love pink and her packaging is absolutely flawless. So I'm very excited to try it out and see if it actually works for my skin. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys purchased anything. It sold out so fast. I think I ordered, was it the first or second day of it launching? I think it might have been the second day and I could not believe how much was sold out. I was blown away. So you get a little card here, KylieSkin. Look at her beautiful skin right there. A little card. And then also the items I picked up. So 2 are the same and then 1 is the vanilla milk toner, which is the larger one I purchased. So these were the only 2 items they had left. Once everything comes back in stock, let me know if you want to see a video and I can do a review. I obviously like to try out the products to make sure that they work for me, but if you want to see a haul video first and then like a review. So this is the vanilla milk toner and I'm excited about that. You guys know I love the fresh toner. I live for that toner, but I definitely want to try this out. I want to smell it too. It smells good. It smells like vanilla coconut kind of scent. This is the bottle though. You guys can obviously tell it matches my nails. I am so obsessed with the packaging. I think it's so beautiful. And it's just very simple at the same time, which I do like. And it kind of looks like a little shampoo bottle. It's actually big. I don't know. It's not really little. It's pretty big. But yeah, that's it there. And then the other 2 I got right here. One is for a giveaway and then 1 is actually from me to try out. So it is the vitamin C serum. Let's keep that one closed. So the product that I really wanted her travel set because you guys know I leave to Vancouver this week and I was like, oh, that was the #1 thing I wanted. It just had everything in travel size and it like came in a really cute bag, but they were sold out. Once that comes back in stock, I'm gonna grab that. And I'm really excited because, well, I don't like to usually give away my next videos, but I'm gonna be doing a pack with me and those are my favorite to watch and do for you guys. So that is what's coming next. So you guys stay tuned for that since I will be in Vancouver this week. KylieSkin Vitamin C Serum. This is what it looks like right here. Super pretty. It is pretty luxe too because it's a little bit heavy and like I said, simple packaging but very pretty, like aesthetically pleasing. I can see myself putting this on my makeup vanity as well. Work. Does it actually work? So I just want to see it on my hand here. What is that scent? It smells like ginger to me or something. It feels very hydrating on the skin. It absorbed into my hand like right away. So I'm gonna try those out, see how I like them. Like I said, I just picked up the 2 and then the 1 is for you guys for a giveaway. So in the box is obviously pink. You get everything pink. How cute. Oh, it's the wrong way. So it says damn girl, those lashes are thick. Look at their PR packages, you guys. Like, this is so cute and they always go all out and look how fun that is. So I'm gonna open it up with you guys. There's something rolling around in here. Whoa!
Damn girl, those lashes are thick!
What the heck? This can't be real. Is this fake? I don't understand. Is this fake? I haven't even seen this on anyone's Instagram because I've been so busy lately, but this can't be real. Open it together. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. I'm gonna put this on my vanity. What is it? Okay. Oh my god. Okay, for a second I thought this was actually the mascara. Oh my god. Wow. We need to get in close here. That is the blingiest packaging I have ever seen in my life. Look at that. How do you even use something like this? It's too pretty. Let's see the wand. Whoa. Okay, so you guys know my favorite mascara of all time. Better Than Sex. I always have backups. I buy a lot when I go to Sephora just so I don't run out. I've also got some of my friends hooked on that mascara. That's been my favorite mascara of all time. Excited that they came out with this one. This is the wand right here. It looks pretty intense. If you guys have tried this, let me know because I'm really excited and I'm sure you guys will see it in the next Get Ready With Me. I'm bringing this to Vancouver with me, so you're gonna see it in the pack with me. This is so cool. I love this little case. I wanna keep this case. Thank you so much, TooFaced. I feel so special. This is something that like Sophia and Mia would just be like eye glazed at. Like they would love to look at this, but they can't play with it. But yeah, I'm putting that on my vanity. That is so pretty. And look at that package. I can't believe it talks.
Damn, girl! Those lashes are thick!
Lastly here, I have a Sephora haul. This was just from the other day and okay, I wanted to let you guys know because I did not know this personally. You guys know the Sephora points and they never have gifts. Like anytime I go, they are sold out. Even online, they usually only have like 100 points and it's just something you don't want. So I was telling her, I'm like, oh my goodness, I have so many points. Like, do you guys have anything? And then she's like, no, but another thing that you could do is on every Thursday on Sephora.com, you can actually buy a gift card. I think she said if you have 2,000 points, you get a $100 gift card, which I was like, that's pretty good. That's not bad. So I definitely want that. So I'm gonna try, I'll let you guys know if it works, but I heard every Thursday on Sephora. I've never done it before, so let me know, but that's awesome. So I'm gonna be doing that because they never have gifts. It drives me crazy. And you get like a tiny little gift after you spend so much money. So, but I mean, at least it's something. Okay, so the first thing I got right here, I was really excited about this because I personally love using a makeup remover and then going in, or a makeup removing balm and then going in with my cleanser, because my foundation, which is the Peach Perfect, it's downstairs of course, Peach Perfect, it really sticks on the skin. That's why it lasts so long and it does not move on your face. So I really like to remove everything off, and I've noticed even if I use like a cotton pad, it's still on there a little bit, so I like to remove all of it before I go in with my cleanser. So this right here came out by Tarte, and it's the makeup remover and cleanser. So I go in with this and then I go in with my cleanser after, because I don't know if this would cleanse your skin, but yeah, I just thought that'd be neat to try out. Okay, next thing here I got is the Amberin Clay Purifying Face Exfoliant. So it says refine skin texture and balance. So I told you guys since the very beginning, if you've been following me, I have really oily skin, and I think this is going to be a product that I'm not going to be able to live without, because I've been looking for the longest time for a really nice cleanser that is an exfoliator as well. Something light that doesn't really like hurt your skin, and just, you know, one that feels good. So the only one I've ever used that I enjoyed was the Laura Mercier one, but it's expensive. So this one was not too bad. I think it was like $35 or $40, and it looks like an actual like clay, like almost like a mask. So I'm really excited to try this out and see if it works. And you guys already know I love Fresh Cosmetics so much, and they've been really working for my skin. Ever since I had the girls, my skin's been really like uneven. The skin texture has also changed, and I've really stepped up my skincare game, let me tell you. I have a skincare video if you haven't seen that. It is up. Lashes, lashes, more lashes. Because when I travel, I like to have a lot of lashes, and this trip is actually, I'm not bringing the little ones. Ryan is going to be babysitting, but I'm actually going there for my friend's wedding. So we're also doing like a girls' night. I have my friend's wedding. I'm going to need a lot of lashes. So I did invest into more of my favorite. This is the Swanky number 33 by Sephora collection. You guys know I love this pair of lashes. I think it looks so good on, and they also look dramatic but natural at the same time, if that makes any sense. Like I could get away with not doing like a full smoky eye or anything like that, just having how I have my eyes right now, like neutral, and then popping these on, and my eyes just look so like it looks like I've done a lot of work, and that is what I like, but they don't look super in your face. They're not super dramatic. Like they're just like the perfect pair of lashes. And I used to actually have lashes, so I've been really picky when it comes to finding that perfect pair. Those are them. Now, these were $40, so they better be good. These are the Lily Lashes in Miami 3D Mink. So have you guys tried these? Let me know if you have. I've heard really good things about Lily Lashes, but yeah, 40 bucks is pretty expensive. But yeah, I don't know. Those would look really funky on. And I'm almost thinking of wearing these to my friend's wedding. So we'll see. We'll see how those work. So next thing here, you guys, you already know Jo Malone is my favorite for fragrances. Like I have so many of the little babies. These I actually got for free when I purchased the full-size fragrance. I have fallen in love with these scents because they're so different, so unique. And I'm so used to buying like Juicy Couture, Dior, and just ones that I've smelt in like that are so familiar. These are so unique and different, you guys. Like I can't even fathom how I actually have probably smelled like, I don't know, 6 to 10 of them, and I have fallen in love with each one. Like I obviously can't go buy all of them because they're expensive, so I do invest into like the smaller ones just to make sure that I do like them, because it's easy to get sick of a fragrance, I think. That's why I like to switch things up. But this set actually came with the Peony and Blush Suede, which I wanted the small one for when I'm traveling, and then it came with this Wood Sage and Sea Salt, and I tried this on the other day, you guys. It is the most amazing scent. I was shocked. It's so different. I don't even know how to explain it really, but Ryan really liked it as well. And yeah, it's Wood Sage and Sea Salt. Oh, it's so fresh. Like I don't know what else to say besides fresh, and it just is so unique. Like that is a new favorite of mine, and I'm so happy I have like 4 little baby fragrances now. And then this was $60, by the way, so not terrible for the size. And like I said, you need 1 spritz. It's really concentrated. Don't need a lot at all, so I'd say 1 or 2 spritz and you're good to go. Peony and Blush Suede. It's very floral, sexy. Like I really love that fragrance, and it's really nice for spring, summer. This is just different. Like this, I'm gonna definitely bring with me to Vancouver. But this is an awesome duo, and I don't have these 2 yet. So these ones, English Pear and then Basil and Neroli, which are both really nice too. So now I have all 4. So I'm pretty happy about that. My little Jo Malone collection is growing. I was so happy about this because you guys know I have the full-size powder. You can't travel with this. This is too much to travel with, especially with translucent powders. They're so easy to explode. So I didn't want to bring that with me, and I've had that happen before, and I'm not happy when that happens. So I got the translucent Peach Whisper. I didn't know it was called that. So mattifying loose setting powder. So it's that one, but in the baby size, which I didn't know they had this. I was so happy. And I'm gonna be traveling with this. I don't want to ruin the surprise of packing with you guys, so I'm not gonna keep saying that. But anyways, this also comes in the baby size, which is the Peach Mist. This is a holy grail product for a setting spray. I tell everybody this is the best one I've ever used, and it really is. Just make sure you shake it. It actually says that on here, because if you don't, you'll have like white powder all over your skin. Just a tip, because I've had that happen to me before, and I was like, ah. And yeah, anyways, make sure you do that. And then right here, this is the little powder, and it's so cute. It's a little baby. Now I already opened this because I had to use it today because I'm out of eye cream, but it's the Rose Hydrating Eye Gel by Fresh. This is a really, really nice, soothing, hydrating eye cream that I put on it morning and night. And I've gone in, what is it called? It's the concentrate that I always use, and it's in a black bottle. I'll have it linked down below, but that is what I'm out of right now, and it's the eye serum. So I have to go get another one of those. I forgot to pick one up, but I did get the eye gel, which is really nice. It smells really good. It has that rose scent, signature rose scent that Fresh does. So it's really nice, and the price point for this is really good too. But like I said, it's a really nice hydrating eye cream, and yeah, I've been using it for a while. I'll show you what it looks like just to show you like the consistency. That's what it looks like there. I have definitely invested some good money into eye creams, which I think are very, very important. And I've just noticed such a difference underneath my eyes. And I don't have to go in with as much concealer anymore. And that is when I really notice an eye cream's working. There's just less lines under there. Okay, so next thing I got here, I just want to show you quickly. It's the last thing actually. So this was a part of their 500 point system. So you got 4 of these hair products. So how do you pronounce this? Brigio, I think that's how you say it. So it's a Don't Despair Repair Scalp Revival Charcoal Coconut Oil Exfoliating Shampoo, Farewell Frizz Leave-In Treatment, Dry Perfection Heat Protectant. Okay, so let me know if you guys have tried this brand before, but yeah, it did come with like 4 little products right here. But I actually have more to add to my Sephora haul, so I wanted to quickly show you guys because now this is day 2 and there were a few more things that I had to pick up for my trip. So I just thought I would quickly show you guys what I got. So I've been dying to try the Patrick Ta line, and this was actually sold out online when he launched it. So it is the Color of Vision, and wait until you guys see this packaging. It is so beautiful. And he's like a makeup artist on Instagram, if you guys haven't seen, like a celebrity makeup artist. But look at this bottle. This is like the most beautiful vanity bottle right here, you guys, and I can only imagine the glow you get from this. So I will try it out and let you guys know how I like it. I don't think I'm gonna bring it with me to Vancouver because the bottle is so heavy in luxe, but it's gonna go right on my vanity. It's so pretty. What a nice bottle. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this with me to Vancouver. You'll see some of this in my pack with me, but look at all the cute stuff that's in here. We have a Marc Jacobs Glow, a Sephora lip gloss, Fenty Beauty bronzer, Laura Mercier. We have Charlotte Tilbury, Tarte, Becca, Artist Couture. There's a lot of stuff in here. So it's the Sun-Kissed Glow set. Okay, so this is my first time ever buying anything more for you guys. So this is pretty awesome. And the palette was so beautiful. All neutral colors. So I needed something like this because I love my neutrals. And after looking at it, I just had to get it. So you guys know I don't really like black all that much, but I mean, the colors are just so stunning. Look at these colors right here. This is the most beautiful neutral toned palette I have ever seen, and I don't mind the black packaging if it comes with some nice shadows. So that is just, these are all colors I would wear every day. Okay, so the next thing I got right here is the Becca Glow Body Stick. I did not even know this launched because you know I love Becca. Highlighters, bronzers, like all of her skin products are absolutely beautiful. Right here. So this is what it looks like right here. Just like that. Can you guys see what that looks like up close? There's so much shimmer to it. And it just looks so bronzy, so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this. So perfect for summer. So I think this is the first time I've ever seen her launch like a stick form. Last thing I got for travel right here, Take Off the Day Makeup Remover by Clinique, my favorite eye makeup remover. And then these right here are all from my point system. So these I think were 250 points, a little glow recipe pack. And then we also have Gimme Brow, so I just got the little baby one from the 100 points. This is everything that I hauled from Sephora, you guys. And I just wanted to share these with you before I pack for Vancouver. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please let me know if I like haul, even like a little haul, let me know if you want to see a video, because sometimes I'm like, I don't do the videos just because if it's like only a few things, but I honestly like watching mini hauls as well. So yeah, let me know, and I will let you guys know how everything is working out for me, and especially if you follow me on Instagram, I always update you guys on my stories anyways. But I was just showing Ryan and Sophia this, and she's like she got really excited when she saw it. And he was asking me if it comes like this when you buy it. I honestly have no idea, because sometimes it's just PR, sometimes, but I think that'd be awesome if you got this like this in stores. That would be really cool. Awesome packaging. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and like I said, I have a pack with me coming because I am going to Vancouver for a wedding. I can't wait to go and see my family and friends. So if you guys want to follow my Insta stories, I'm sure I'll have tons for you. I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I will see you guys on Fashion Friday.